What's up, investors, and welcome to the YouTube ad tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up YouTube ads. So if you're interested in putting your ad in front of your YouTube channel videos, this is one of the examples. If you want your ads to show up in the search results, then this is going to be a great video for you to use because I'm going to show you the step-by-step so you can set up YouTube ad campaigns. So make sure you lock in. Let's get right to it. So in order to run YouTube ad campaigns, you want to make sure you create a free Google Ads account. Just to let you know, YouTube is owned by the #1 search engine in the world, which is Google. So you can buy ads on Google Ads for YouTube. So for starters, you want to sign up for the free Google Ads account. Once you're signed into your account, you can click and now create a new campaign right there. So click on New Campaign, and then it will send us to the page where we can set up a new YouTube ad campaign. Please lock in for the next steps because this is Google Ads, but you can buy ads for YouTube as well. So lock in. So before we set up our ad campaign, we need to choose a campaign objective, meaning a goal for this campaign. This could be driving more sales, getting more leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, and of course, you can also choose to go without a goal. For this video, we're going to choose to go without a goal, but depending on what you want to do with these ads, you want to choose whatever fits for you. Now this part, you need to lock in because this is where you're going to select the campaign type. We got search, we got display, we got shopping, we got video, discovery, smart, and app. For this example, we're going to go with the video or discovery. We're going to go with video, but you can always go with discovery because both feed into your YouTube. Okay, now we need to select a campaign subtype. So we're going to go with the custom video campaigns. This is where you can customize your own settings with skippable in-stream ads, bumper ads, or video discovery ads. This is exactly what we need for the YouTube ads, so we're going to go ahead and click continue. Then you can start by giving this campaign a name. So I'm going to call this HTD tutorial ad. Next up is actually kind of important. We've got the bidding strategy. So we have two options here, which is the max CPV, which is cost per view. We've got the target CPM, which is a cost per 1,000 impressions. I recommend going to the CPV. This means you get to decide how much you want to pay per view on your ads or a video. So I recommend going to the max CPV so you can also go to the target CPV. Next up, we go to budget and dates. For your budget, we're going to go with the campaign total, or you can go with the daily budget as well. So running ads like these means you can actually go on a daily budget, controlling how many leads you can get per day. Or with the campaign total, which means your budget will be sent across your days. For example, if you go with a $5 a day budget, you go in there, select edit, then select how many campaign days you want. If you want to run ads from, let's say, the 25th of October to the 25th of November, you can set these dates, which will be $5 per day. Then the amount of impressions will be narrowed down to your audience. But this is how you can set up your daily budget or campaign total. You can also enter the exact dates for this campaign. For the next feature, we go to networks. This decides where we're going to run our ads or our YouTube ads. So we can run them in YouTube search results, meaning ads can appear next to your search results on YouTube. And you can also use discovery ads for this as well. We also have YouTube videos, meaning that your ad can appear on YouTube videos, channels, or YouTube homepages. Now, if it doesn't really matter to you, you can go with both of them. Once you got that all set up, we can go to the target location. This is where you're going to decide who is going to see our ads and who the ads are going to reach. You can either do all countries and territories, or you can enter multiple locations. For example, if you want to run ads in the US, you would simply click target. Now let's say you want to exclude from somewhere like France for no reason. Just for this example, we're going to select all countries and territories. In this case, English is the language I will go with. Now we have content exclusions, defining where your ads can show. Right here, you can choose between expanding inventory, standard inventory, and limited inventory. This really depends on whether you care about this or whatever type of company you actually have. For example, we'll be going to the standard one, but if you don't want it to risk anything, I suggest you do limited, but if you don't care, you can click expanded. Next up, and we're almost done, guys, we're going to set up a group. I'm going to call this the HTD tutorial ad, just like the ad campaign. This is where you can reach people. So you can define your audience, demographic, or both. For example, if you only want to run ads to males, you simply unclick everything else but the males ad. You have the power to exclude and include any of these features you're targeting. It all depends on who you're trying to target, which makes it pretty simple to do that. Next up, we have audiences. Now, this is where you can target people who are interested in certain topics. For example, if you go to browse, you can pretty much filter all this stuff. You can target people based on who they are and what their interests and habits are. Let's say you want them to be interested in sports and fitness. If you want to add travel, you can do so as well, and you're targeting people who are interested in sports, fitness, and travel. You can even narrow it down by clicking health and fitness buffs and sports fans as well. You can also go with travel buffs, and it's as easy as that. You can literally target down and find these very niche down niches to reach the target audience that you're looking for. Once you got all that set up, what you can do next is find out where you want to put your ads or where you want your ads to actually show. Narrow your reach with keywords, topics, or placements. So let's say you want to have the best search results for the best health insurance. The best thing to do is enter that keyword phrase in there. And then when people search for it, your ad will show up like these ads. Now, if you click into here, we've also got topics. So let's say you're going to type in insurance, for example. You're going to choose any of these options and you're going to target these people. We also have placements. So this is where you would connect your placement targeting. So you can go with certain YouTube channels or even YouTube videos. You can choose video lineups where it has a lot of stuff here that involves your topic. Finally, we're almost done. We can create our ad video. But first, we need to set up the maximum CPV bid. So like I said, this will be the maximum cost per view. If you're willing to pay 5 cents per view, then you put 5 cents and then you're good to go. So this is the amount you're willing to pay per click. So it kind of depends on where you want to run that ad. So if you're going to be running ads in the US, the cost might be higher. Up to really 5 cents per view. If you're running ads in Brazil or India, it'll be much cheaper, like 2 or even 1 cent per view. So now the step we've been waiting for is where you can add your video. You can also see data like your daily averages, your budget spend, and your daily reach as well. Now, of course, at this point, you add your title. For this example, we will type in how to go live on TikTok. Then your description would be go live TikTok. Maybe TikTok for the next description as well. Make sure when you're done with all these, I recommend you check that everything is done correctly. Then click create campaign, and then you'll be officially ready to go. Now you can start running ads on YouTube since it's approved, which shouldn't take long. You'll be able to run ads like this or be able to see your ads here on the side. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments down below, and we will see you on the next video. Peace.